Bethany Frankel, I get what you are all about. You're out there trying to do the Lord's work, and so am I. I'm trying to do these Paris Fashion Week reviews, and I need a snack. So I'm going to do me a Bethany Frankel right now. If you don't follow Bethany, why not? She's amazing. She is so fun, and her channel, her TikTok page is so much fun. All right now I have a whole wheat bagel. So this is the name of the bagels. They are whole wheat bagels that you can get here in Belize. And I just toasted it up. I'm putting on some butter, letting that melt for a minute before I spread it. Sunny morning butter. That's what we get here in Belize. Like Bethany always says, don't judge. This is going to be a weird combination. Alright, we got the butter spread. Now the next ingredient, because I love onions on everything, red onions. If it was acceptable, I would put onions on my cereal, but that's not acceptable. So we're gonna just load it up with some red onions. All right, we've got our bagel loaded up with butter and onions. Woo, as it slides off the plate. I know this lighting is crazy, but if I turn this light on over here, you guys can't see me. Next up, can't have anything without salt and pepper, right? I've got a little sea salt here that I know my thing says pepper. But this is actually for my salt. This is for my pepper. It's an OXO. Not the best OXO pepper grinder, surprisingly. I actually do a review on this pepper grinder. OXO makes better products. Don't buy this one. Now here's where it gets weird. We're gonna add some sunflower seeds. Just a few. Little protein. And raisins. I told you it's gonna be weird. And then I'm gonna top it all off with honey. I said weird, right? The bagel was just part of the overall snack. Like I said, doing the Lord's work. I've got so many more Paris Fashion Week shows to cover. So I got over here some Gouda cheese and crackers, some pineapple, here's the bagel, some wafer cookies and Oreo cookies, and of course, some wine. But I know y'all hate it when people post up food videos and don't taste the food. So here I am, I'm gonna taste it for y'all. Yes, the perfect amount of salty and sweet and onions on everything. So Bethany, I'm sorry that I stole your stick. You're still the goddess. I just wanted to step into your shoes for a moment and do a little video like you do. All right, you guys, that was a ton of fun, but I have like over 25 more shows to watch, so I gotta get to it. And until next time, you better believe it. Bye.